you can access your personal settings by clicking the icon in the icon toolbar that looks like a person. What the My Personal Settings icon really opens is the User Setup window for your user. We find 3 tabs in the User Setup window. On the General tab, you can bind with Microsoft Windows account. If your system administrator has enabled this in the System Landscape directory, you can enable single sign-on into SAP Business One. Among other general information, you can also change your password on the General tab. Under the Services tab, we find a list of actions that we can turn on and off to take place at the beginning of each session. With Display Recurring Postings on Execution checked, a window will appear allowing you to process all recurring postings for today's date. With Send Alert for Activities Scheduled for Today checked, at logon, SAP Business One automatically sends you a message listing all activities scheduled for today. You also have the option to trigger the Messages and Alert Overview window to open when a new message arrives. Enter a value in minutes to define how often the system will check for new messages. Enter a value in minutes to determine the idle time the system will allow before locking itself for security purposes. You can assign the Enter key on your numeric keypad to work like a tab key. If you select the checkbox for Enable Document Operations by Mouse Only, you will be required to use your mouse to perform main document operations like Choose, OK, or Add. On the Display tab, use the Skin Style drop-down to select the style for the graphic interface of SAP Business One. You can also choose among different colors for your windows. If you prefer to use SAP Business One in a different language, you can do that also. Additionally, you can select the font and the font size that the text will display in SAP Business One. You can use the preview to see what your change in font and font size will look like. Please note that changing the font might increase or decrease the size of the windows.